Hi everyone, today we got a special video for you guys. We're at Riverside, Port Orleans, and
we have a special guest over here. His name is Haru, and it's our little puppy.
Awesome thing about this hotel, you can have pets. Obviously, that's why we brought them. So we're gonna check out the hotel, do the room tour, hotel tour, and they give you a special goodie bag for your furry friend. So let's go check out the hotel and see what they offer. So this is the front entrance to Riverside, Port Orleans, as you can see, and that's the lobby. So let's go check it out. Here's Anastasia and Haru. So we're about to go through the front doors. When you come through the front door, you've got access to the back over here, where all the hotels are. Registrations over here. Arcade over here. We have a full bar over here. This is where you get your souvenirs. Fulton's General Store. If you're a fan of pressed pennies, you can get Tigger, Winnie the Pooh, and Eeyore. You got all your mugs and your homewares over here. Here's the mug for Riverside, Port Orleans. Kind of cool. This is actually right outside the back. We'll show you that. And here's Mickey. That's adorable. You have the crew over here, Huey, Dewey, and Louie. Have a very big collection of pins. Very cool. I like Baymax and Sully from Mirrorverse. Never played it. Don't really know what it is. If you do, let us know in the comments below. More pins. I like this one. Maybe I'll get that one. And who doesn't like pizza for National Pizza Day? This blanket right here is actually at the outlets right now. Check out our new short to see what they have at the outlets. This is brand new actually. This is the Pride collection. Look at Stitch. Look at Stitch. Stitch looks amazing. I like Mickey. I'm not gonna lie, I really like that he has like a little heart there. Mickey is $30. Stitch is $35. This is an awesome thermos. This is for Pride. You got Minnie Mouse over here, and you got Mickey. You got Peace, all the colors. I love it. $30. Pretty nice looking. You got the Pride ears over here. Really nice colors. I'm assuming $35. There's no price on the back. You got yourself a hoodie, and the hoodie is $55. And a tank top is $30. You got t-shirts. Hats. The hat is $30. The t-shirt is $30. New merch wouldn't be complete without some pins and magic bands. These are the ears that are exclusive to the hotel. Aren't they nice?
Do I get them? It's kind of cool.
I'm assuming $35.
Yeah, and 20% discount for Annual Pass holders.
Here's the magnet. Magnet's nice. And it is $15. You got a nice little bag over here. It says Riverside on it. And this is $65. Christmas ornament for Riverside for $15. Got a beignet mix. Get some coffee over here. That's nice for $15. They have a nice polo for Riverside. Look all fancy in it. And this is $110. If you like fishing, you can go fishing the day away with Mickey for $30. Riverside mug, which is $15. So over here you have a Cole, and you have Mickey Juniors. I don't know their real names. If you do, let me know. And they're blowing the airs to keep the fire going, and I guess it hits Goofy right in the face. And he's about to fall off and his face gets all dirty. Poor Goofy. This is the bar area. Let's see if I can get a little water and act like a boss. I found one of the restaurants that they have here, Gold Boat Rides. Over here. Very nice. Let's see what they got. French onion soup. Low Country seafood boil. Interesting. Our famous Taste of the Bayou. Sounds pretty good. This is what's in it. Enjoy one of our drinks, the Big Easy Whiskey Sour. That should be good, the Whiskey Sour. Sweet final meal. Port Orleans made including Southern cheesecake and a Mississippi mud. Maybe we'll have to check out this restaurant. Boat Rides. I was over here earlier where Boat Rides was. Just walk down more. And this is where the quick service is. You got your Riverside branding over here. Riverside Mill is established 1875, Port Orleans. But yeah, this is what it looks like on the inside. Very nice, very cool. Ham and cheese cheddar sandwich. Mediterranean curry chicken salad. Oh, they have milkshakes. Got some desserts over here. Got some cookies, brownies. Very nice. This is some of the food they have. The Bayou Amber Ale Burger, Bacon Cheddar Burger, then the Grilled Chicken Burger. I saw before the Korean Style Impossible Burger. That sounds good. French dip, chicken strips. Quite a selection. Got some shrimp and grits here, baked macaroni and cheese with beef. That sounds good. Chicken parmesan, penne pasta with meatballs. Or maybe you want some pizza. Get a large pizza for 20 bucks. That's not bad. Large pepperoni is 20 bucks. Large cheese is 19. It's only $1 difference, but damn, that's not bad under 20 bucks. Create your own entree over here. You can get your protein, your 2 sides, and your chef recommendations. They have some meatloaf, jambalaya, and gumbo. Anastasia's gonna want that gumbo. And here's your beverage station. They have at least 4 of these, 2 on each side. Fill them up. What's cool about this hotel? You get your own boat service. I'm assuming it takes you to Disney Springs because that man got a Lego bag. Got some goodies in there. And there's the wheel I said I would show you. Very nice, very cool. It's absolutely beautiful, this hotel. I highly recommend coming. We're gonna head this way, and I'm pretty sure this is Old Man Isle, so let's go check it out. Just look at this bridge. It is absolutely beautiful. Got this nice view. And here's the main pool, which is really cool because they got like a little waterfall, and they have a water slide over here. I want to go on that water slide. This is the pool area. Look how nice the pool is. I can't wait to hop in. Anastasia sees a hot tub.
And I see the hammock. I want to go there. Right now there are kids over there, but that's pretty cool.
Yeah, there's a hammock over there. So this is the bar, Muddy Rivers, that's right next to the pool. Pretty nice. You can get your drinks. So we just got the pina colada. It is delicious. Anastasia, what's your opinions on it?
This is 5 out of 5. It's so refreshing because it's so hot outside. It's delicious. And you don't even need alcohol to enjoy pina colada. So 5 out of 5.
So we're on our way to the room and show you guys how cool it is and give it a room tour. But we just found out that, well, this would be considered actually a pet relief area, all this, because technically it's all green. But we asked the cast member and they basically said they're allowed anywhere as long as you clean up, obviously. Don't be that person who doesn't clean up after their pet, because we know who you are and we don't like that because you give us all a bad name. But yeah, they're allowed basically anywhere, just not in the pool, inside the pool, and anywhere where food is served, unless there's a service dog. Service dogs are allowed more places, and the bus. Same thing, service dogs only. But yeah, otherwise it's a pretty relaxed hotel. It's a nice vibe, kind of like the Polynesian, a little different type of feel, but very chill, very nice. This is probably the closest I can get to the sign without being on the grass, but yeah, there are alligators here and snakes, so do be careful if you are here. It's Florida after all. I also like how the signs are located, like lobby's this way, the Magnolia Bend is that way, the Alligator Bayou, we're over there in number 24, so let's keep going.
This is a pretty nice hotel. I like it a lot. They did give us a goodie bag for hot, so I'm gonna unbox it and show you what we got, because that's pretty nice. And yeah, you do have to pay $50 fee for each day you stay in with your dog, unless it's a service dog and it's for free. Yeah, pretty cool. Here's Brandon and Haru walking around. I like this little detail. You see the alligator on top of the alligator bayou. Pretty cute. This is so peaceful. It kind of looks like you in Tiana's movie. Gator gonna come from there. I feel like this area is gonna be so nice at night. The pool looks amazing, especially in the hot weather like today. And we are gonna literally go back to the hotel and then go to the pool. Here's our room, and here's the view on the pool. Awesome. Little Haru's passed out. Look at him, he had a very busy day.
Hey everyone, so now we're going to go explore the hotel a little bit more. We left the pooch in the room. You're allowed to have your dog in the room up to 7 hours unless someone calls and complains, and then you have to get your butt back in, go save them. With the TV loud enough
AC going on.
and AC, there shouldn't be an issue. They should be pretty calm and cool in there.
Well, to be fair, he's tired because it's been a long day for him. It's, new people, new smell, so he's kind of exhausted, so it's better off for him to just sleep in the room, and we can so also he's not allowed in the food area, so we're gonna eat and he's gonna sleep.
They have a movie tonight. It's Big Hero 6.
Yes, Baymax. We love Baymax.
So let's go. Anastasia's holding the refillable mugs here. I think they're $22, but it should be unlimited refills while you're staying.
Should have bought it in the morning.
I mean, if you put it together, about $4.50 for a Coke, you get a couple sodas in a day. So yeah, they have the 100th anniversary, and they have Mickey, just a bunch of Mickeys on it, and it comes red and black. I like the black one more.
Of course, we had to get jambalaya because we're staying in Port Orleans, right? So you gotta get the goods. I think this one was $12, $13. I'll give it 5 out of 5. It's very flavorful, not too salty, not too spicy, and so much going on the plate. You have your chicken, you have your sausage. I guess this is like a cornbread. Highly recommend getting it. This is 5 out of 5.
I'm gonna try the gumbo, and it looks, I have to say, at least what you get here, you get a pretty big portion for what you buy, which is nice. Yeah, this was $10.99, so 11 bucks. Got a little rice, got everything. That's tasty. Big chunks of sausage. I like that. This is good. The more flavor just kicked in as the sausage went down. This is really tasty. You're not gonna be disappointed by this. This is a 5 out of 5 also. You never know what kind of wildlife you're gonna see here on Disney property. You got a rabbit right here.
So the alligator.
I'm happy it's not, oh, there he goes.
In this hotel, each area has a pool, so I think it's total 5 pools, and we found this one not far from us. And there's literally no one, and our pool is still popping, like kids all over the place. Look, if you want, you can just come to another pool.
And the main pool still has a lot of people. Anastasia found herself a hammock, so now she's gonna chill.
Well, it's first time it's not attacked by kids.
I'm gonna try the hammock now. Oh. I'm like swaying a little bit. Am I doing it right, guys? We're right near Magnolia Terrace. Look at the houses. They look very colonial, very nice. In Magnolia Terrace, they have their own gazebo. And like, look at that. Tell me that doesn't look like the White House. That is spectacular. Like, look at how photogenic this looks. This is Oak Manor. Looks very nice too, very, very posh, I guess you could say. Fancy, yes. And yeah, this is the view. Got the river over here, and right over there is where the boat would take you to Disney Springs. We just found the coolest water fountain. Who needs to go to Disney parks when you can have this cool fountain to look at? But yes, this is the fancy part, because if you look at these flags over here, these where the princess rooms are. As I walk by, I could see into people's rooms. Not a peeping Tom, but you can see like the princesses on the wall, and I guess I can show you, but I also don't want to be that pervert.
We did find a room, and it's empty right now, so I guess it's all right. But yeah, this is the fireworks. There's all the portraits with the princesses. This is pretty cool. Hey, here's Brandon.
It is pretty nice. We're not perverts, I promise.
We didn't choose the princess room because I don't know if they're pet friendly, because when we were booking the room, it was on the phone and the woman didn't even tell us about this room, so I assume they're not dog friendly, but one day we will stay here, so maybe we're gonna do another review, who knows? Let us know if you wanna do that.
We found the movie, Big Hero 6. I don't know how you watch it. It's very lit, so I don't know if you can actually see it, but it's the movie.
It's so bright in here. Like, for some reason I thought it was gonna be like, dark and, immersive, but I mean,
It's not that busy either. They have horse and carriages here. Look how beautiful the horse is. Hi, buddy. Oh, you're beautiful.
Apparently, you can take a boat from our hotel to Port Orleans French Quarters, and we're lazy, but we are gonna take a boat. I'm pretty sure this is the same boat you would take to Disney Springs, so I think the French Quarter is gonna be first stop and then Disney Springs.
That's pretty cool, right? So we're off the boat and we're in French Quarters, and wow, they have a really awesome pool. Let's take a look. I mean, look at that. How awesome is that? This is a water slide, and it wraps around and it goes down. And they have a big clamshell spewing water. And this is really cool over here. Look at this. They got alligators playing instruments. I like him. He's devilish. You have one over here. Looks like he's playing like the clarinet. I'm saying is, this guy has a cape. I don't know if Edna would approve, but he looks pretty good in it. And I think he shoots water too. That's cool. And this is like the entrance. This is what greets you when you walk in. This is awesome. And for size comparison, Anastasia's gonna go stand underneath him. Like, it's so big, I can't even fit it in the frame. Look at that. That's amazing. And we got more alligators on the way to the pool. Don't worry, they're not going to bite you. They're just here to have a good time.
They dropped a new Spirit jersey for Pride Month, and this one actually really cool. All colorful, obviously, but look at the back. This is so amazing. Look at Mickey over here. He's just like cool. I do like this one. I like how they did that. This is pretty cool. And this is my favorite when they actually put like the Disney logo. I like the Disney more. This is awesome. 80 bucks.
So this time we're treating ourselves. I mean, when aren't we treating ourselves, to be fair? But we got beignets with some ice cream, whipped cream, and strawberry this time. So let's see how this tastes. All right, let me get a little bit of that. I personally like the strawberry. It gives a nice fruit flavor. Now, some people don't want fruit, but I like the strawberry mix on the beignets. Give it a 5 out of 5.
Thanks for watching.
We all hope you enjoyed, because you know we did.
Yes, it was an amazing hotel, 5 out of 5.
This hotel has literally everything you can ask for. Between
Yes.
the food, the transportation, you can even go to the other French Quarters part of the hotel.
Yes, you can just take a bus or the boat and enjoy the beignets.
Even the pool's amazing. We didn't film it, but the pool's awesome, and they do have a nice water slide. Adults and kids can ride.
Yeah, that was awesome. That was really cool. The rooms are amazing. Everything is very accommodative. All the outlets, you know, all the AC, even the Mickey on the bed. That was great. And we could bring our dog with us. What could you ask for?
So in our book, this hotel gets a 5 out of 5.
Yes.
Highly recommend coming.
Definitely come and enjoy. If you like this video, don't forget to comment and tell us what you think and like.
And make sure you subscribe for more Disney magic. And if you want to see what the room tour looks like, go check this video.
Yes. And as always, don't forget to share the magic. Bye.